on behalf of Southwest Airlines and this entire flight crew would like to be the first to welcome you here to San Diego. You may not use those cell phones with airplane mode turned off, even though you already are. So please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and all your carry-ins are where they are until it comes to a full and complete stop at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Be careful opening overhead bins as items will have shifted during flight and could fall out. If you're making connections here in San Diego, step out to the terminal, check the TV monitor for gate and flight information. If you're continuing on flight 3340 with us to Las Vegas, this is your aircraft. We are your crew. Just a favor and remain seated. Rick will come from the back and count you as a through passenger. Once we have an accurate through count, you'll be free to move out the cabin and stretch your legs. But until then, if you'll please remain seated if you are going with us to Las Vegas. We will be experiencing some ground servicing here, so be sure you have the door you came in. Other than that, folks, we know you have many choices when you fly. We sure are grateful you've chosen to spend part of your day with us here at Southwest Airlines. We hope you come back and see us again real soon. Have a great upcoming week. Until next time, be kind to one another. Welcome to San Diego. Also, ladies and gentlemen, when we pull into the gate, if you'll do us a favor, if you'll remain seated until the row in front of you has collected their personal belongings and begun to deplane, that way we're not crowding the aisle way. It helps practice that physical distancing. As well as continuing to wear your face mask securely over your nose and mouth as